In this video, we will learn how to make a copy of Google Sheet documents. So let's start. So here I'm going to create the duplicate copy of this Google Sheet. So go to the File tab and click on the Make a Copy option. And here you can see the Copy Document dialog box is open. You can enter here the document's name and you can change here the folder also. So I'm going to save this documents to another folder, so I select here the folder. So I select this folder and here you can see the folder name also showing. Okay, and here have some three option. First, share it with the same people. If you share this existing Google Sheet in any person, and if you want to save this copy also that person, you can select this. And if you don't want to share this copy, if you want to only save this one another folder same copy, you can save also. Okay, and copy the comments also. If you want to copy these comments, you can select this option. Okay, and include the results comments, so you can include the result comments also. And if you don't want to share, then untick this and just click on the make a copy. Now you can see the copy of sales data August 2024 is added in your Google Drive. I just go to the Google Drive and refresh here, and you can see here the two documents showing in same name. Here the one copy of sales data August 2024 and here the sales data August 2024. So this copy I just created. Okay, I just make. Okay, so this is a way you can make a copy of Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.